Hi guys, I just realized that bags are such an essential commodity. Suppose you go to the supermarket or even just the grocery stores, you need a bag to carry whatever you've purchased or your essential articles back home. So the reason we are having this bag talk is because today is the 12th of July, which is celebrated as the World Paper Bag Day. I'm sure you must know that a plastic bag is made out of polythene and petroleum jelly. So that means it lives for a really long time. But it causes a lot of concern for the environment. Do you know that it takes 400 to 1000 years to decompose one plastic bag? Imagine the waste that you produce outlives you, but for a century. That's something to be concerned about because it's going to cause irreparable damage to the world, to the only home that we live in. On the other hand, paper bags are made out of wood. So they're environmental friendly and they're easily recycled compared to a plastic bag. And even if you discard it, it just takes 1 month for them to dispose into the soil forever. So the long-term environment damage is avoided. Well, you and I can sit here and talk about thousands of reasons why plastic bags are a danger to our environment and how using paper bags is a way to the future. But we're not going to do that because today with us we have Beverly Lewis, the co-founder of the NGO MAN, a center for differently abled individuals. And she's going to tell us the importance of paper bag and how we can save our environment, save our Mother Earth, the only home that we live in. How you and I can make that difference. Thank you so much, Beverly, for being here today and sharing this with us.
Thank you for the amazing introduction, Adeline. MAN is an NGO that provides skill training and employment opportunities to adults with intellectual disabilities and autism who come from low socioeconomic groups. The skill training is specifically in job industries like retail, corporate, F&B, hospitality, art, and tailoring. So post their training, we look for placements and we look for employment opportunities that match their interests. Most of them get placed in offices, in organizations, restaurants, hotels, while some become home entrepreneurs. Now, the special thing about our home entrepreneurs is that they make one of our best sellers, which is the newspaper bags. The newspaper bags are handmade. They are made using, of course, recycled newspapers and eco-friendly glue. They're used as delivery or takeaway bags by restaurants and local businesses. We want to definitely encourage more people to come on board and adopt the use of these newspaper bags because, of course, they help the environment. Through the sale, these individuals get their salary, so they eventually become financially independent and increase their self-worth.
Thank you, Beverly, for giving us an insight about your NGO MAN. I'm really excited to know more about the great work of social transformation NGO MAN is doing. It must be really satisfying to see yourself and your colleagues as agents of change, offering self-reliance to those whom often people do not bother about. It is indeed very creditable for MAN to be environment conscious and producing handmade paper bags. This conserves energy and offers work that pays. Your input cost being minimal, you are able to sell your bags to many outlets regularly. Through this, you are rendering an invaluable service of creating awareness about the use of environment-friendly paper bags, which is the need of the hour. Our earth gives us life and we have no right to further contaminate it with plastic waste. All of us need to shun the use of plastic bags and embrace the use of paper bags wholeheartedly. This will help us to be more eco-friendly and still manage our daily needs effectively.
Happy Paper Bag Day, everyone!